Hey guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, do you see a very thick wooden plank? Wow, very thick, right? Can you cut it through a reciprocating saw? We are gonna try it, okay? But before I proceed further, if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please go subscribe right now. So guys, the very first thing is protection, okay? Right now, I have not put on any gloves or something, but when you do it actually, make sure you protect yourself, like gloves, shoes, very important, safety shoes. This is my home setup in my garage, that's why I don't have those. It's not my workshop. And also eyes are very important to be protected, because when you cut something like wood, it generates a lot of minute particles, and if those particles go into your eyes, there could be like dangerous outcomes that you don't want to see. Okay, now thing is that what we are supposed to do here is like, when you cut something like this, it vibrates, right? So that's why the steadier it is, better results are. So use the clamps, clamp it nicely at a place and then make a cut. This is my home setup, that's why I don't have those things here, but I'll still try to show you how you can make a cut. Okay, now in your reciprocating saw, make sure the battery is properly charged and use a suitable blade. Okay, with this it can be easier. All right, and yes, eye protection is very important. Again, eye is very important. All right, so again guys, as I said, it the steady you can maintain, better results will be. Instead of holding it as a single place like this, it's better to move up and down, then that will create So guys, I'm halfway through this and you can see I have made more than halfway. So it's not yet straight, but you can see the cut has been made. So basically the steadier you can hold, the easier it will be. Okay, and if you follow the tricks that I said, like move it up and down so that it goes down even faster, that will definitely help. Still there is more, so I'm gonna finish that too. So finally it is done. So yes, it can be done. So remember, the steadier it is, better cut will be. You can always practice and improve. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to the channel.